Oh, hello, Paji, and welcome to another episode of Nothing to Hide, the food show. I am Saif Nawaz. Today, we are going to the very own state of Punjab and cooking the tandoorist makhani murg or butter the chicken. Butter chicken is celebrated throughout the world as the most decadent and the most amazing recipe throughout the Indian culinary culture. Today we are going to be cooking another one of that, the butter chicken, the lovely butter chicken, Punjabi style. Right, for butter chicken, the most important thing is our chicken. For chicken, we have got some chicken which is not boneless, some bones chicken, about 600 grams or so. For that, we need to marinate this first. For making a marinade is very simple. Take about 600 odd grams of our butter chicken, add some hung curd. Always hung curd because उससे जो आपका चिकन के अंदर जो अच्छा मैरिनेट आता है, it just sticks to it, the masala sticks to it, very lovely. About 4 odd tablespoons of hung curd in this. After hung curd, bit of salt. Now, after some salt, put in some pepper, very important. After pepper, it's time to put our dry spices. The dry spices, what we need is coriander powder. Just gives that citrusy, nibudar feeling to our chicken marinade. 1 teaspoon. Soft powder, also very important for our marinade to give that extra dimension to it. After that, 1 teaspoon of bhuna zira powder or cumin powder. Gives that nice ground feeling to it. About teaspoon or so of red chilli powder. Make sure that you're using Kashmiri chili powder, which has a little more of spicy titch to it than the degi mirch, but this has more red color as you can see over here. After this, you have to put about 3 teaspoons or so of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste. After that, very simply, just squeeze in a couple of limes. Whoa, that's one. Just a last bit of lime. And that's it. Go right into it, Punjabi style. इसके अंदर घुसिए और इसको लेप लगाइए और marinate this very nicely. So our marinade is now mixed very well. It looks absolutely lovely. लवली के अंदर बस एक लास्ट चीज़ डालेंगे, वो है थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल. इसके अंदर एक शाइन और टच आ जाएगा और इसको हम 20 मिनट्स के लिए रखेंगे. बस 20 मिनट्स के अंदर फ्रिज में. एक सजेशन है, आप इसको रात भर भी बना के रख सकते हैं, चिकन और ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा, बट 20 मिनट्स इज़ गुड इनफ टू ग्रिल दिस इन द फ्रिज. So now our tomatoes are nicely simmering away. It's time to get our chicken and put it in the grill. Take a tray, take butter. Again, remember, it's butter chicken. Just butter your tray very nicely. And quite simply, just pour in all your marinated chicken on the tray to grill at high for about 20 minutes till it's nice and medium to well done, because it won't cook again in the butter chicken gravy. So that's done. It's time to put this in the grill. Now come here, let me show you my tomatoes. See, look at them, it's nice and it's all cooked up very nicely. Look at it, come. So what we need to do now is allow it to cool down for a couple of minutes and we have to blend it straight away. हमारी पिंड से ना एक हमारे प्रा गए यूके, खोला उन्होंने रेस्टोरेंट, वहाँ पे अंग्रेजी मेम आई, मेम ने पूछा सो सर व्हाट यू हैव फॉर एपेटाइजर्स। अभी बिल्कुल मुल्क से गए थे, बिल्कुल देसी थे, उन्होंने कहा जी पकौड़े शकौड़े है जी। तो वो पकौड़ा ओके। फिर उन्होंने पूछा व्हाट यू हैव गुड फॉर ड्रिंक्स। इज लाइक लस्सी शस्सी मिल जाएगी जी। ये लस्सी शस्सी, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट। Okay, let it be. What do you have for main course? ने प्राची ठहरे ठेठ अपने देसी, उन्होंने बोला जी बटर चिकन जी। Oh, butter chicken. Yeah, I know butter chicken. Butter chicken is lovely. Can I have one with butter naan, please? पाजी खुश, मेरा रेस्टोरेंट जी सक्सेस हो जाएगा जी इधर ही। So butter chicken is one great dish which is popular throughout the world. Our community has done wonders for it, ji, wonders for it. Lovely cuisine, lovely flavors of butter chicken. Now this is done. The next thing that you need to do is get a stick blender and blend this across. Now this is done. Next thing that we need is on with the gas and put some nice butter. Of course, butter chicken needs butter. Little bit of oil so the butter doesn't burn. Some chopped ginger. Saute them. Next thing, we need about 5 chili flakes, but de-seed them. Cut it across like this and de-seed. So once you've got like 6 of them, get them together and finally cut them at an angle. Green chilies and ginger is in, it's nice and fragrant. The next thing that you need is get a strainer or a sieve and with the help of the strainer pour in your tomato gravy. Get the smooth tomato gravy and don't get any seeds or cardamom pods or the mace, any of those things in your mouth. It needs to be a smooth, succulent, superb piece of chicken that you put in your mouth, as smooth as it gets. A nice butter chicken. Oh, that's lovely. So all of this is now in. Look at this. You're only left with unwanted stuff over here. The good stuff. Make sure that you put all the good stuff in, and throw the bad stuff out. So that's done. Requires a little bit of salt. And next thing that you need to add is butter, of course, a little bit of cream. But before I put that, you need some nice red chilli powder. This is Kashmiri, the spicy one, and little bit, half a teaspoon or so of Gatam Masala. Saute this through very nicely. And next, Praji, the good old cream. Make sure that you leave Make sure that you leave a little bit of cream right for the end for the garnish. Blend that through, fold it in, nice and low heat. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Till that time, what we can do is get hold of our grilled tandoori chicken. Ah ji, dekho ji, murga dekho ji. Look at the lovely color on our chicken. Let's give it a try. Zabardast. Straight in. Our chicken pieces in our gravy. Chicken is now in the gravy. Looks absolutely marvelous. Off with the gas. And last thing that you need for our butter chicken is some kasturi methi or fenugreek leaves. Now this is found in now which is called Pakistan, a place called Kasur. So people used to dry this up for winters because they used to only get this in summers. This gives that aromatic flavor of kasturi methi. So we have a Punjab in Pakistan also, which is equally great. Now it's time to serve up a lovely butter chicken. Take a nice piece and the gravy and some more gravy and some butter chicken. This is absolutely marvelous, guys. So there it is, guys, my lovely take on Punjabi butter chicken. Dolly, Lily और निक्की को बुला, बाऊजी को बुला, butter chicken बन गया. Butter naan is also ready. एक थोड़ा चाक लूं. इसमें डिपो के थोड़ा सा ये नान लेके. बादशाह मजा आ गया. So guys, hope you enjoyed my butter chicken Punjabi style, which is lovely. Keep subscribing to Saif Nawaz, Nothing to Hide, The Food Show. Signing off. Click the subscribe button ji jaldi se, warna